In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate HSBC credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged into the app, navigate to the main dashboard. From there, look for a section labeled Manage Cards or Credit Cards. Depending on your region, it might be under More or Settings. Tap on that section and then select the credit card you'd like to activate. Now you should see an option that says Activate Card or something similar. Tap on it, and the app will prompt you to confirm a few important details, like the last 4 digits of your card number, the expiration date, or even a verification code that will be sent to your registered mobile number or email address. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your HSBC credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.